Great, so we just finished sorting our hands, you've got your cards, and now we're ready to learn the fundamental unit of the play of the game of bridge, which is called the trick. And let me tell you, it's not that tricky.
Great. So for the first trick, Frida leads the 2 of clubs, and then each player plays a club in clockwise order. They have to play a club if they have it. The lobster wins the trick with the ace of clubs, which is the highest club, and so that means that now the lobster is going to make the lead for the next trick. In this case, the lobster plays the 4 of spades to start. Each player goes in clockwise order playing a spade. Frida has played the ace of spades, so she wins the trick. And now Frida is on lead because she won the last tricks. She decides to play a 3 of clubs. Prince plays a king of clubs, which is actually the highest club that's still out there right now because the ace was played in the first trick. And now Prince wins with that king of clubs. So as you can see, we're keeping track of the tricks depending on how we place the card. And Frida and David have won 1 trick so far, and Prince and the lobster have won 2. And we'll keep going now till we're done with 13 tricks. And that's how you play out the hand.
Now, you may be wondering, what happens if you don't have a card in the suit that was led? Do you just play any card and that's all that happens? That's not all that happens. You're going to have to tune into the next video to find out what happens.